The cord clamp secures the cord firmly to the tool's housing. It prevents the cord wires from being torn away from the switch. The cord clamp can be damaged if the screws that secure it are over-tightened. It can be broken if the tool is suddenly pulled by the cord. Replacing the cord clamp is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the handle housing. With the handle cover removed, now I can remove the cord clamp. Now I can install the new cord clamp. I'll place the clamp over the top of the cord and secure it with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle cover. And that's all it takes to replace the cord clamp in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.